Hello students, now we have to learn the concept surface tension on the basis of molecular theory. Question for examination is that explain surface tension on the basis of molecular theory. For that, see the first diagram. Consider that three molecules of water A, B, C. Okay. As there is water in a vessel, we considered three molecules of water A, B, C. Now see, this is molecule A and this is sphere of influence of the molecule A. Now this is molecule B, this is sphere of influence of the molecule B. This is molecule C, this is sphere of influence of the molecule C. But there are different cases for the three molecules. First, molecule A. In case of molecule A, its sphere of influence is totally inside the liquid. In case of the molecule A, its sphere of influence is totally inside the liquid. Molecule A is totally inside the liquid. Resultant force acting on the molecule A is 0. Now in case of molecule B, its maximum part of sphere of influence is inside the liquid and minimum part of sphere of influence is outside the liquid. So that resultant force acting on the molecule is that downward resultant cohesive force. Downward resultant cohesive force, as there are more number of molecules are in the water, so that molecule B get attracted downward. Now in case of molecule C is present on the surface of the water. Its half part of sphere of influence is outside the liquid and half part of sphere of influence is inside the liquid. As the cohesive force is more effective than adhesive force, resultant force acting on the molecule C is that downward resultant cohesive force. In this situation, there are three molecules and having three cases. Okay. Now this is the surface of water. As we know that the definition of the surface tension, liquid molecules are tries to contract and occupy minimum surface area. As on the surface of water, the molecules which are present on the surface of the water having maximum potential energy. The molecules which are present on the surface of the water having maximum potential energy. But the molecules which are below the surface of water having maximum kinetic energy. But the molecules below the surface of water having maximum kinetic energy. Some molecules on the surface of water tries to comes downward. Some molecules on the surface of water comes to the downward so as to area of liquid molecules to reduces on the surface of the water. As we know that molecules gets contracted and it comes in tension level on the surface, it is called as the surface tension. On the surface of the water, molecules comes in tension level, they are contracted. It is possible on surface of the water, so it is called as the surface tension. This is very important question for the exam. Explain surface tension on the basis of molecular theory. Now in this part, the major is that the importance for that is that the molecules which are present on the surface of water having maximum potential energy, the molecules which are below the surface of the water having maximum kinetic energy. As the property of surface tension to contract and reduces surface area, so that some molecules which are present on the surface of the water comes to the downward. so as to molecules gets contracted and reduces area on the surface of the water. So it is called as the surface tension. The meaning of the tension is that molecules are in constant level or constant position. It is possible on the surface of the water. So it is called as the surface tension.